Bill and Ben, the two tank engine twins, worked busily hard at the quarry. Mavis and BoCo work at the quarry too, but they barely spend time there. They mainly go to other parts of Sodor to deliver the china clay at the pottery shop, or go to the docks to pick up china clay, or deport some. Bill and Ben wish that they could go outside the quarry. Haven't been outside the quarry since episode 17. They longed for a change, and one day, their day had come. Mavis and BoCo were due for another journey, but both fell ill. They were kept in a small shed for the day, and Bill and Ben became eager. "Oh, I hope we can finally get out of the quarry," squeaked Ben. "Yes, yes, yes," agreed Ben. Can't wait, can't wait." The foreman came up to them. "Bill, Ben, the work is way too much for you." No, pleaded the twins. "Duck and Oliver will be brought to help." The twins were furious. "They're here to help you two take BoCo and Mavis' special." Duck and Oliver arrived. The twins greeted them harshly. "Job stealer!" they cried and shunned some empty cars at the two. "What's up with them?" asked Duck. "Don't know," replied Oliver. "Bill, Ben, what kind of act was that?" scolded Mavis. They ignored her. Duck and Oliver shunned the trucks while Bill and Ben sulked. "Bill, Ben, go help Duck and Oliver shun," scolded BoCo. They angrily went to help. Finally, the foreman approached Duck and Oliver. "Alright, go deliver these cars to the ducks. All they do here is take up space, and dockside people need them more than us." The foreman came up to Bill and Ben. "Alright, you guys leave no choice. Take these clay cars to the docks." Bill and Ben were overjoyed and quickly backed up to their cars, and they hurried off. They had an enjoyable time. They went through a lot of parts of Sodor they never knew. Mavis and BoCo told them all about it, but now they finally got a chance to see them for themselves. They got too carried away and went all over the place. Some cars were getting tired of going all over Sodor. "We've seen these before. All of it. Let's break away." They nudged at the cord, and they did. 3 only broke away. Bill and Ben safely arrived at the docks after going through their tour of Sodor. The docks worker approached them. "We're missing 3 cars," he explained. "Please go back and look for them." "We screwed up! We screwed up! We screwed up!" they shrieked. They went all over their tracks to find their missing cars. Later came up to a siding with some broken buffers and Duck with a breakdown train. "What happened?" asked Bill innocently. "These cars crashed into these buffers," explained Duck. "You know what? These cars look a lot like some cars at the quarry, examined Oliver. And what are you guys doing here? You're supposed to be at the quarry, said Duck. Yeah, about that. The foreman came by and said we needed to take these clay cars to the docks, explained Ben. And I guess the coupling snapped and now we are here where we are today, added Bill. Well, these cars need to be delivered to the docks, said Oliver. So we need some help cleaning up these cars. Sounds good, replied Bill. Yeah, we'll get to it right away, added Ben. Bill, Ben, Duck, and Oliver worked hard and eventually got the cars back on track. Beep beep! Thanks for your help, guys. Bill and Ben hurried to the docks. They finally arrived and delivered the china clay. Once after, they went home. Oof, I'm tired, said Ben. The quarry is the only place for me. So, anything interesting happen on your run? Asked Mavis. Nah, they replied. How much you want to bet something did happen, betted BoCo. A week's supply of oil? You're on.